Hello everyone and welcome back to another new video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to check what comment you posted on YouTube. And it's pretty simple, so go to your YouTube and from here you just need to go to your view section and go to YouTube setting option and select the option manage all history. And from here choose the option interactions, and that's it. You'll find out a lot of options in here, the video you have liked, dislike, comment you like, dislike, everything. And as you're looking for the comment, you just need to go to this comment and replies option, and that's it. It will show you that what's the video you have commented on, as you can see, and it will show you the all the list in here. And you can always edit the comment, delete the comment. Simply go to the video and look for your comment, and you can easily edit, delete, that's it, your comment. And that's the way. If this video find you helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more tips and tricks, and keep in touch with us.